Ewi adehye ma mama obi biara ajo. Na me fa na sekese ema obi bia because enne wukuyi, enne ya woi, enne fiade, enne a Good Friday. But a sad Friday. And a happy Friday nso ema binumu. De hia ne say, ya da so te ase na moje guye nyina emu afu sane. Ya hwe yire no mo, ya hwe kun no mo, ya hwe ma, ya hwe odofo, ya nte asem de asem bia ba, obi the hospital, obi be say baby aye bibie ho. But let me de so wakai, so tena wa Dum TV ho, if se be sorry so donko no, na obo atso yem. Na we re achichire. Na when na mo wo so utu na ne ensese utu. And me bia me betena ha na me ahowa wo se metimi dia seda kese emma emebulu no. Emrantie ne mabawa if say mama assurance, the truthful assurance, say yes, we've tasted, we've seen all the stuff we know. But until you started educating us, empowering us, say it's important that we need to wear our dress. You know, we realized say we were blind at that time. Auntie, I'm so grateful to all of you that you've taken the decision to wear your drawers. And not tomorrow, not any other time. But if you really want to wear your drawers, it must be now. Edase. Maminsha all the neighboring countries are, African countries are, Maya Crado, Moshe and via the internet. Moshe Oto Ahomaso and those outside Ghana, all the regions in Ghana. I admire so much. Thank you, especially my brothers and sisters and mothers, father, grandmom, and all the siblings in Nigeria. I salute you, Okaro Baba. Adukpe, medase. Studio say na nyame nko na emom, mene my one and only sister. She's so pretty. The beautician. Auntie Abna. Baby, you're gorgeous.
Thank you, doctor.
Medase. Yo, the gorgeous mama.
Mama one. Doctor one.
That's it. Anyway, you know, I ebusuya kasiye, one yen ebo ebusuya. Ansana, akukudro ne eba, se untu anamo emra. Na meke ahuga. Ga. Reverend Osia, yadase. Yadase. Ebusuya what to say?
Obia ho ye. Meba me raso chia opa.
Me jene so papa. Na me frɛ wo on my phone so.
Yeah.
Look at the education. Hwa ho brasie. Obi frɛ wo ire. Na be mama so aya na wo net say. Ubo hu. Obi frɛ wo kunu na oba wo kofa dey na wo ka. What's me pa cho? Mr. Ni. Na wo maame. Oh, was sorry. Enti ye hu na ma ne pe no de maame. Me pa cho owi obe frɛ wate. Simple, tietia.
Yeah.
Na papa yi, mi papa yi wie na asamaka. Na hwan ni? Me sese ni, ena die. Na ayede.
Me wie a pen or chair me say wa forever. I'm so that's good.
But mommy, any discussion say about discussing. Wake up.
Yeah. Okay.
Say okunu ana wo yire. Even diary. Eda ho. Na musuo nkan. Na wo yire fa na ko fa na be ma metubo ade obeyo.
Enne say me kwa sore point ansa na me ba me bebe ya wo bi report odi be na wo susama na ni nyina ekọ. Ni kunu efon wo ho no mo chese wa hu se obema no akofa oba afofra ma one na akonyim obema ne aka kire no.
Okay.
Enti o ka kire no mba so de say wo awu ni maje odo ni kunu je lo se kakra nti ofa phone so o hwehwe girl no ne number obema na sinani so abonama na nimu a anadwi a me baye
na yo me nka se de be ma ne ye ba why lucky se ni kunu mpo anya gudura ka kire no enti na okokra girl na ma
ka kire no say why very big mistake afa kwa no ama na hoden afa no ama na hoden wa hu de na emeye mo ahu say yes
Onya bo amane enso
wanya bo amane
enti me nuan mo mai me ame nuan mo ene me maame ni mo na ya sometimes me tena se kasa obi me send me WhatsApp email sa kuma wo kan some say de kan ye wo anyo ya me amesu ma ti sa ba fra ya wo no enso education and it's yes, I'm here who say Say eye wo yes den kra me mom hu wani so. There's this song, so don't let them see that you cry. Cry if you want to dream big or whatever. You know, e mom hu say wo su. E mani hu say ye wo ya. Ti de be so be come anu atum. Me ma be dey say ya no wa say nsuo egu nanum.
No man ejira nanum.
Nipa basa den. Onkasa. So di obesu o, ko se kukuam ne sun. Mesi sun, se kukuam ne sun. O we no people no mo ani ada ho. E ma mo hu so wo sun da. So woni mu ame, me super. Me super papa. But save a capra. With all due respect, my honorable husband, ain't who many so. No, me my womb. I don't just me no. I don't just me town. Debbie, or don't dear or hunting that's worry. Over 24 years. Wow. I already know so say baby. Easy, you know.
What do you years now, mama?
Salute to me to Chama.
You know.
Yeah, because people do ask.
Yes.
They keep on asking.
So I'm not married. And she keep on saying it.
There's some what? Yes, over.
Me so.
Me 4 years. Call me at 20, 24. That's good. Hey.
Me so. But obi bere ni ho who meni so.
Yeah.
Je nyankopon pe ni ho meni so. If say me so a na me so kire no.
Yeah me.
Nyame ti ase.
Yeah.
Wo de na nya di nche obi de. If say won ko obi efo won ko obi fie. Wonim de e kro no. Ba me ni aba. Men ko fa hukun ni diary no. Mama mfa me ring abra. Ye wi. Ma fa ma de. You know. Man go for ukun diary no.
Yeah.
Man go for diary no. Phone no pay dem so. Den na pay.
And wa ji suturo.
And wa ji suturo. Ake wo yan po se bai man no kra. E wo so obo. Mama no munso. No mu no ever pay oni bi na free. Oh, ake wo yan se bai sa. Adentia. Auntie Abna, what pushes us to do that? Eya na ye gidie so ate. And your confidence na asa.
Mechia ya hwefo na yetifo.
Because sometimes man be brain no provoke me papa wakasa. You provoke callers no. Why ye
talking on the phone?
Na frefife. Why ya?
To kro de be kasa.
Kwasia fo. O do you papa me ku fo mbi be hu. Se nipa da seni e wate asifo asase so. E be ka no kra. E ma be brejuma bowo mo. E what this behavior okunu eye wo phone so. Meme be brejuma bowo mo. E wo phone so asemi. Enye adwuma awade abusua ni ma be bre na fo ko mutema tete. Wa hwe se wukunu. Hwe se wukunu akopie. Na wa twen na manaba. Wa ma na aduane adi. Edi no bedi wa wadu. Na yire no wadu. Wada ohia nkrome. Afi no ba ni ba be sipe. No fa be ma ni phone no. No come through.
Na ye den.
O be bompa ye. E bia wo suspect no. O bompa nyame me da se. So de mi ku abrafie e wasomdwiem me da se. So ne me yiri abafie e wasomdwemu. Anyem bia se bibi boni bi adwuma no koye de papa da se me anyem buto na se nafu bi ne ko ma bi ho ensanom se de ni de no oba no abo abehu. Bompa ye. Enso afeina obefra da ma fa we si say
obecho numbers
en fa so bie no anti abraham de ajam
doctor me da say
wa fa di kun phone da o
doctor
na wa ja
adabi o na me ka say sankadi suan a ene ye ma ewiase nyina den ehu yi a ya fa bi da nti sankadi suan e ba ti say bi ya 20 years a kam me jiri say bebre na betime eden esua because ne mama kan yi bema no cry that catch roll nti ko yi na ma eden enne ne bi ye doctor mema ne bi su ye me ne mema tu a oba no adana ne phone e se ne pillow bema wo na we your ban phone yes so
na o de phone no ko sumye na se ayeden
setio what your obad in the phone says me ase
who ya see even phones no eba twen the American say health and your health wise impo so what the phone be say opilo ase sometimes no utin one of the days some months back was a big around obi otie phone now upload something happened or she totally
and you're right
pamucho
so what I say but people are doing this until there was some yeden omujai because phone or that phone photo either with mirror nim and as obu ana onya calls midnight so what to form call on the bar a vibration about then but one till the next day you return to the person but glance through phone there nyame nim no cry and was a advice is still you go see then because men are doing it some of the men are doing it and the women are also doing it
and to those days now mama wo kunu phone so no na then here
no it caused a lot of problem for me
and na how wunti na wo kunu phone so
now he was not coming home
early
yes
or driver ninti
he was not so what I say and I keep on asking we are mun seven doors no e bia na wache nema bebre wo krum metimesra say ni say but those days no not on show down home so na me ma so intend give and take me then eba
hey timna mutimi kompa
hey na awore den to kokora ni manye de eni manye de o
menya wani mehu a obuafu
hey doctor
na wo so
hey na say
asa confidence ni
o de he no
and I want to
see o de say be see na say
so I say
oba na ko hu na him shame dey
sa
ya me hwe
asema okay eni asechire so wo ka so much oh so watch me watching way
police
so what you here
make us who be
na lateness inti na late na very late because now a hammer I do get worried
you will
yes because you're late meaning the kind of job he's doing but it extend so what you say it's but at a point I get to have the knowledge on this or down I have to brush things off
me that say
so what you say
just when you
more
what upgrade you
hi
baby me that say
I had dream pa ye and then people improve from me a bit ba menim
no problem
a memo omo fiancé to be husband to be omo de ba no my advice for me
na say hairdresser me salon there
come on baby na me de me dey ayemfa to ho e bi ba me say won hu se dem tie so ho me won hu se dem tie enti wa fania me ke na fa de na fatu ko to dwa no enti ye besre etiefuo ene ahwefo ahwe odan maso se ni ye ka wa nyina no ye ba studio yi ye fa bebre ti sa na omo so mo hwe no omo fa no muntu ho na mo ebe boa awade mu ejuma mu because phone calls doctor me can say we are job telephone call ya ye kan wan say me e ko ba say mejai could you believe say anko ye nya case
sir
yes
I didn't hear
it was midnight me penny friend no wada deep me hu na man e penny na ma me nim penny mu na ma no man peke
oh
what so because me pick here a case man pick here a case into man pick a case a go against or no so what I say afena and yes I wouldn't say and no dey adwuma and I'm saying me patcho me sra wo ba me na me fa wo ho into a boss and your director so
no person say girl be a man fa na adwum dey fa
and no make us say no dey me hu say enyim na ma
sorry
it should have picked that time
yeah
na me nya den me reply na me call attention to or no na ne yesa so mo ye den o mo ye but manfa into the next day no I'm sure yeah all right me who you all right but manfa it's your phone it's your business if you cast a men pick here I'll pick by talking to the person wada send it to me
money baby why say maybe to me sees you am totally because the phone it's my private phone
yeah
you got no business on my phone you got no business on my iPad it's not okay say you got no business on the phone
I got no business on his phone so why should I pick the call at that time and at that time no so no you're serious
auntie Now by that time now we go hear the phones no hear phones.
Debut some once a nemu call ne buy and nemu. To me no me dey me hu ye. So what I say eda mirror and chemu. To me many tie na phone ye den esu ba me na me phone me to vibration. And just me phone there e be vibrate I mean but no e ya na ring. Yes, into ring no e na ma me tie ye no. And me page me mu na ye se me hwe no. Ye panyimu number. I won't pick.
Like the issue about
the issue about no, I won't pick.
And see, I'm not one for Adishma me pamacho. And yes, I mean me best 1 year can, but need any case study. And I'm going to say in some ways, it's easy, baby. And see, I'm not assembly see, and Bema warning the race, men so before one. That means so automatically, and so for.
And W. Me, I didn't mind.
Now, you can, I'm 1 year, one on back.
Me, one no back.
Okay.
Me want no back because minimum say I have nothing doing on my phone.
Well, these things so don't pick my phone.
Yes.
I'm over my woo. Oh, papa woo. Yeah, it's a bit brave.
You're a bit messy. Now that moment, uni fie. Mother, yare, ebiana obi free. Any di help be. Me na met me and assist, but don't pick my call. Ebiana or bathroom. I won't pick your call. Your mommy will be angry. Ebiana time no here. No, your son says I shouldn't pick his call. So let's put an end to it. You understanding, doctor? Obi wa on my fan ho send a year fan call. Niku me fan call. So what I say, and obi beti o akosia o pick a call na. Unsa ya na edwuma mu fo no. Hu say da no one bed den. Ebe kasa efe watch any palo. Obi wa no onim.
Okay.
Say no kasa o phone so because obi timi from fa phone no ma phone come out. So what I say? Or friend now for phone come out.
Onye courteous.
No,
so Becca say bia.
Good morning. No.
Me pacho me friend me so. Met me ne Mr. Oyakasa na. Na phone na wafa na wo dia. O baby say question.
Sir.
But mami but your code wo phone so.
There be
code no phone so.
Pacho there
because me nim awade bia 3 years ago because can wasem. O man e re no e fa ne call bia ba betimi afa. But calls bi wo ho a. Obi say ne WhatsApp betimi nkoso, ne messages betimi nkoso, ne email betimi nkoso, but o heni ya wo ne phone so. E ho no code so. But any other call betimi afa.
Na trust adwemboni bi wa chire ta chire nti.
Any adwemboni be that be so ye bibi bia.
100%.
Yes. Na me can say
me be ba no be den. Ebe hu.
Yeah.
Basamu trust no wo ho no mo a. Adenti na sane ka se ni phone da wo men kofa nko hwehwehwehwe so eniema course minimum be ma bi ono oba bi ikoto omo be ware oba ma no tam bi obekọ no ama ga ni the complain na mame se ompe waka ba still be ma ne kwa okofa phone na ko bi a obehu aye more than one no there is a problem no afre wo frɛ ya akofrɛ ga ni papa afa no hu asɛm a
won kan hwere no
Emma or Fred guy bid a catches so nimunas of friend even be a mobile ni dua. So 80 years a man girl or draw or woman a swat guy no a swat or somewhere any crowd on where because one young worry numpoi and I will shine to say now when you worry no I so 80 said phone that one man cautious name say call bar. Now say bia ona ni near around that you can pick it but it depends on can obo oni mu phone so kasa poto no adua ahu brase mu odokwa so na wa kasa fine so ahu yo ene bia oni ho ana o me de komano so ahu yo oni ho message say oba fama no efe because e beli ana so ni ho na so afasa na ke bia na call ni very important. In fact,
there ya pan say e bia genuinely na wa down for all free or boa wo kwan bi so e mo nya adwuma bi or boa mo sike bia ba na mo dia bibi na wo kuna kwa kofa na wo dia kwa kofa onipa na nkasa yie wo dina tem poto
contract kakraka na bo
me say one day, one of these, recording senior, me bani abo radio, ma go radio so that, and a TV so. Obi to me friend, obi friend, hello. Na mami mo watch hello, good afternoon. O chia me ade day. Hey, we ye hwan no. Na papa na na ka say wonim no. Wonim na, e dey na wo na ma beto phone so. ha kwasia moto na mojijiji nkrofo kun no mo o e ma din na me record owie a me so wie just when in so do be sense my wie utiri so no abamba and so time me twena mo wie a me say era no way me say me din
yeah
me ti wudi ye de kwasia sem no wakati off ma twen kakra na ma flash no me ma flash o san flash phone abedi me ho munti message phone o ni phone kasa iraye o ko to phone me dokuna me ton ene me jai bi skani bi eti phone
I said was serious.
Woman be there me say offer me more than 8 times. And then I say mama, you friend me akuma mama Zimbi. The kind say Jesus.
Oh,
sure. The harm has been done. Abutro.
Seriously.
You can't say Jesus.
Speaking of course, dear.
And I say, or can you say one free be? Me try about 1 hour.
No
so friend me. So suba wenti. She say where you be actually me. Some of her or down so or send the cool letter be or no time they were quite 1 month to a ban one and you me na my bed to move phone so who couldn't find me number e was TV so and na radio so e be seen ne papa the year some na be kasa ba was so assassin
ye da nyame
of the guy say you na assassin
na ni ohun ye de wan
o di matam o mama jai na me so ba sa me nya abotre me tie ni na ma recording ni na oh eh bad mummy nya abotre mummy nya abotre
easy
mummy nya abotre
cause certain a breaking homes a breaking relationship
breaking homes papa
and ma ejuma so ye den contract ye den
one ka say ah individual woman ho yare so okunu no e jealous about so be hu say na iri e ka say wo phone so eyi na odwen ho obenya akoma yare o your ban so awotimi ye phone tantantan because ebusia be friend no I love you oh me dan say na so time be me do be 8 o'clock no na ejuo mo colleague bi e na e kasa won so feel say mami bi e wo La Paz baby accident ko happen wo La Paz or the fear de o na dan for friend wukunu me hu say na car park wo hotel bi anim sa no pa na be ma na e kwa adwuma no e na ne ka na ye den ye e no ja wo ho e no ko ye omu wie no mo ko meeting papa ni be fie no ba ni ho
ho po cha what
o se na ko he e de obabu aka ni mesi na hotel na wo ka ni se den e no si oh sa enti ko ka ni si hotel na ko ye e de ko ye ba ko bin so ba ne jina moto no sa ma de chie be ma ne ba na oyinifi oso bi akoda ne san akọ areja ya na enti pa mo cho
wonum se ba ku bi so sa no so na damfo e be ka che se be se kwhwe wunkunuma hu no ha oba ahopopo a wadi tu ka no gidigidi onya accident no anu no wankasa bi
yeah
bon enti nsam de beba na eba ne yetse a momienya abotre ne investigate ebe boa ye papa nsam se wonya ne ba bi odo ahoma so no kretrodo fita se nsuo ene ye ka kire wi ye mfa bi num e ma ne ye callet ketwa na na egusu e ka kire wi na onim se nsem we trigger basa no na ohun aye ukunu na hi ohun aye wo yire na hi sometimes cry thought so adam mo na kra no asa ebuo no kra ba fom enti ebe mu empem agro kra no a ontimi nkanfo ne ho ontimi ye ya ne ho maw ontimi ko hwe ne kra ni mire ni kasa meda ontimi hwe ne waka wo na aye style be
ana doctor medical craba so and sometimes so yana a man also e be a man and memano sometimes so bo ha the way he or she talks with a friend on a phone is different than talking to the wife or the husband.
Awesome.
So what I said, na me wo a lady friend Niku e be complain say
sure
osabra me yiri ko bi we na yes dear ko bi ya yes dear ko bi ya enti obi sa na yiri say na enti wo de obi akọ bi ya yes dear enti na say wo de client o oba no to ade odwom o customer so obi so fo mu nyina yes dear smart as here enti won say with we no bema no or you very anxious
to know
one na wo de any call
yes dear
you pick and say yes dear or say the way oba no be pick call no yes dear sir
romantically
yes and you call receiving of a calls ni nyina na e was say partner na te wa nia wo be ye no sometimes no wow e be twe nipa na dwen ne akobibi so
nso e bi kra na enyo
no if it's a normal call receive it. It's the person, your friend. Hi, so good, fine, man. Those kind of things. But anything, yes, dear, you know, no correct. So about you, Bemati, who?
Oh, you know, he can.
Sir,
the air, ya pan, they say, be only in the 2 halls, the young holy. Na be a more relaxing sofa, na be a uti, Eda Wuknuso, and now uti Eda Wireso. Na call be about one sorry waka.
No, you tear to
on can excuse me, no sorry waka.
No,
because me I call Jana 30 minutes. 15 minutes. Now okay. Oh, I love you too. If I try making sure the last week I say, "Yapa." Esun come no akuma.
Obey you. No excuse me. No sorry. And the doctor, nyame no me kra. Society we was say yetime yes ahwefo yema saade en kan ya warwe mu ene ya namuntu mu ye dwuma mu anything ayeye so what I say talking on the phone efie wo ma business anything because enkoba say uno yete wo uno kuti wo na ko bia ba mani age nkobo na nkomode mani age we pra ne yonko we pra e be na sa time no kra no na oba na na se bema no ne kondo se obede oni ni ku be hia nnamu at that moment no call nya ba ya na enemu hia na eden na atiko
na ena okay point number 7 ena walking you woni we yiri enjoy e wompem call ne ba no e bo kwa etuemu na bo tu efim akofa call
awie
baba feelings ni nyina agya
atiko ade so kroma yenkasa
what's it there?
Ukrema yenkasa.
Ye krema yenkasa.
No. Na didn't tell me krema many aje me pick up.
But I want to yenkasa.
So what you say?
I want to bet me aka hello.
Menkasa. Me na bia me.
I say yenkasa. Oh my god.
I said to me take So what I say? Because said ya ten kana den. Ewura mu a wani aje baby a waduru no. Na che say waduru anim. Na call bia ba eye business wo dey fine you fan say eye opanyi bi na from e wadwumam e depend said ya wo ba no wo be receive call no afa sani mu di agro na call bi ba na wuti say e call dey important to ene e bia sweetheart for wo hwe na mana fama me ke na ba me gusu sanity ye enti ene ogusu yi wo so wa pick call no ene no na moment ne de e wo so ti me ema feelings no take kitu ewi na ti medium come me pacha you give me 10 minutes I'll be back to you thank you where you for phone to network so
phase 2
sir because ekoba say with call into no o biama na so yire no ehun here to that extent
yeah
to cry to
me na me catch oba no my cause oba na satisfied e bia na be man so you satisfied
yeah
so what I say because the way oba pick a call no oh media no need to would you who say me boss na friend me na media to na wi am abeto aso no
feelings nyina
o put oba no off
me da say odo wo homa so ne me say nyina ye sua ade papa me go so achia me nuanu mo Nigeria mo nyina mo hwe se mo me understand say mo to mo bo e hwe odo homa so yie papa the Ghanaian community no explain the mama me da mase sans na kwa amono no be bia emrofo no mpo se mo nyina addicted to odo homa so because Ghana for no explain it translate e the mama me da mase e da mase e san da mase Eweka say na say me da say no etwa ni tente ya nini me da say e da say esan da say bio wo Ghana ha na wo hwe nsema e bobo so nya no ade e bobo so yi emre ne be so be bie phone lines na e de amamo na mo so matimi a kire ma adwen ene bullet points a discussion say bi ni mu aka no ade egusu ye ko de e wo so nwotwe so na so me bi sa wo sa asem no nsema ya kanyina ma me de na abeka
asem no nyina de ne ameka sa sania onu kunumu di mu ho na ko bi aba ubetimi du achia wani ahwe number no say who say enye ko bi a ehu ye important avoid it koso amuni mo ho mawie bibia na kire no pa betimi a friend pakro no back
na ahuga
gaga na mahu ku be men
hold it ye phone no ebi o ha ye di e ho a eni ewo dressing table na ni e tu ti so phone na ring crane no wo betu afim no baka ka hwe nipa nansa
some me say me say me de da me bed table nche pe nti me chia mani a mehu basa wo de me wa forget me ring embelia no bra obejai
ebe sasa na o jiji ho aye oh daddy enti daddy na obejai da na o ka phone
esa beti
akọ
not so feeling phone da living room o
me ba so ma na wie ne point
enti anu sasa emewu ana me ka hu hia so be kasa wo kohwe di na ho ma unwie na wo wie a ansa no akohwe se ho na freye nti se ko bi aye important a obetimi afre back o bi asore bi na me oba from ana bi ona me wabonte na da ho obetimi nya excuse bi e di amase very important bi a boss ana bibi sa ba se nyo bi na se normal caller obetimi afre ni pakro no back ne di o person friend so a won frɛ ba enya advisable se etue mu a wani age a wo enjoy no na ko bi aba no wetu ni prekope obema bi okra na numu kasa no Awurade Nyankopɔn ka wo du tibe ko bo feelings ne ba yiri o chese obu okra betu ni prekopa o ma wa excuse
wow
no akwa phone no ba de ni nyina ayira
asa we na wa ye bi ayira all right enti me pa mo cho ye take opportunity we na mo bia at say either say woni we read dampem woni okunu dampem amonim say ne ba beji mani no mo nyina obia mfa nto silence modi mo huria na be ma no wa pepa ho na wa pa okun so no betimi akofa phone no da was o na na mo come to so call menya call bia na response na ade ma ba habit no a yenya te ya na afa ye da na phone no da ho bia o yiri no wo bonk mo so to say ye die mo very important in komo a ebe ma ebusua na tumpon ebe ma business bi akoso na danfo ebi kwa na nye ne hwe na danfo bi keke komo hunu bi na na kwa akobo then you leave those who brushes and man outer ebe ha adwene enti you know but me just say ebi ohompo a you know I mean ebi okra no a madim ho awie o call bi amba odi wie ya no aso afi so ono unya conversation po kakra over the phone
ni ohia wanya wie
o bet na so sa more than 50 minutes o se o ba pe no wa tap no a page from ebi no nipa na chat yo ebi vibe na bibi ohun nipa no o so ba no afrepe say ade kra mi hu odi
make so mo di ewie na wasanka mo di wie wasanka at rest oba akoda densa ana ba akonan etoro yonko so na afedi swat ase
na the best romance
hunam na da ho na hunam na bra wie no swat ase na just still a ugo so don side den and nam no ho oh na pam wa sori akofo hu se ye ya ma phone age ye bibia
age
swat ase
age
ye didi kura afon
na se mo hwe ye marketing kitim ko ne mata maba we kwa ya hwe ho adin show maso phone mu kura mu o twa kwa akan mu o aben ne ka ne be bo aben yo se den yo
wonte
why so addicted to say on a dining table obedidi no onya phone o ote back obe phone 20 minutes and some over back o did you be say microwave mu 4 times or so we dey
dey odu fukunfo dumo yesa kuye
all right me that say any I can send bebre pa me gidi pa say we bie phone lines no a obenye send bebre aka e bia won so e bia di wunya bia jojo ana obenye bibia di aka de aka yi ho e say yenkwa ye ntena ha emfa nsem no enhye mo sa yesi obi ni ma obi kire yetie nso no yenka se ya so abofo a yenim bibia da bi musua fie ho yenso yesua efri mo ho edamase esa edamase biom. Will there be a way in our marriages okru ni oyire wo mo ji wo mani e wo mpem na mom ebia ade bia oyera kai ana okunu kai ana ebufuo nti no ontimi express ne ho yie ema edie na wodi ne no
enkoso
who say or enjoy it. No expression, nothing.
Doctor, I say be na ese ye do ye ho aye ni etinye. So what I say na ware bia so de to kwaye den ewom. But na eden ha dwen so. Because you're both a man and a man in your young can't call a man aside. Debbie and I young can't call my man aside. Debbie, you're both. Yeah, ain't no, sir, issue ya when you jet now when him so. Minimi queen, many aje, but a moment na any general I done a different thing. So what me express simple. Debbie, cry. Just say, I was here to me. You put to your mindset. Say, you won't pay more. You put your mindset, at the coda, and nana ye shemuno. So what I say? Because sometimes I train echo to baby, and Emma on phone who name and shim. Adreno, I didn't Beman or dinner Beman eating no. Now draining your day. Any so. And so, or Eden, Odi. It's in the whole ni bibia nyeden. And not in a lot of my baby, no. One cut to Timoju or Moiri Emuna. Nation, woman, ya bibia, because we be machine baby to be seen her dream. The empty machine, a bedjo straight. And soon as you more, but not Leo. And Waka, and what you said on Waka say, but about the son, how do we feel? So, Bemani shame, Mama.
A bonus, sir. Sana sister Cano. Sir, oh dear, was sir, or two dream Phoebe beer so. Because some dream could see, ya will be or Bemanaya, no, Benny be your now kaipe. Not feelings, no assassin. Ain't to say a shemusa noa. I was sir, Uma wa dream na echo, dear, oh, yen so. Na say a bassa, na say. Ebi oba na ebi awo brand sana orgasm number na ehwo no na so obe ma na ebi okabi na otu free musa afenu wajejo akoja osubrani na wakansinsemu so enwesa na o feeling ni nyina akawa ya so anya kwada no ya se be ya sa jo so a obajo so
ebe ha giri papa e na mema no so na mema ni blue balls so na yesu yenya den
doctor why ask me ya
green omunya blue and so benya green
yeah, why ask me ya? But paints. Because
there was a pie but
me ama what I enjoy.
Sir, who government to be a cost or
entire dead. But
that's me say. They won't can be someone say yes, dear. Ye kono munua, almost me near ye no. And they ask Yababa.
Say your banu and the feelings ya so no be my. So say see akukọ de ani bi no na besen cause me can be kura fe na oba no kura kan o ye won
na orgasm ma sorry bare de
sorry bare ese ha dwen in fact ha dwen
bebe na ha dwen ntino koma emma ne memma nyina se onya ade empemu a se nnuro ni ade e wo ho se oba no yare bi kura na wo na se ho ena nu ntino epush wo be ma no offer oba boa no sana bema no so be boa no ye fruity e wo ho ye vegetables bebre e wo e koma ye nyina ye mamodi ase ye masa de enka ye ho na entimi ma ye mpemu agoro anya den enye de so ati ase e na so onya ade a ye mema ni bi pe e na wasa dodo da be wasa san sa onya ade na ye kasa onya ade a wo so utimi ye den oma wa shon se ye na e wo se 3 days ago there bitimi due pa my there hu se my yard there so what I say because yes na say that munya blue ball sa na man so ya say there
green
ya
say ya enti say
because the whole day no to be abasa
mama say kwatie ni munya den wo be ma no say kwatie ni munya den esa wo du oba no kra on fele because aya gbojo say to
e wo say chi
so enti say woni mu problem say emu nya dia e na Mrs. Teken say enu na ba bebre menka asa kwoto your friend say dia mema no ma o katachie sorry gbanyan yi da bi enye no Viagra said enye no but ye wo enu bebre aba ufa ebetimi ama ube manimu ayedin eno no wodi du oba na ofele na se mu ye gbojo na wo de sha na hey esa wo ha oba no esa wo ha
wo de sha na ere
abeta gaga abeta
na ya
who I was so good tight
Sir.
yeah too
na oba ni timi nyatinka enya fe eno sare doctor wo dey say ukwa da abomodi adiu pa ama to say wo asepo aya hwesidie bi ne fifire bi so what yase that day no sidie bi ne fifire bi e be fifire we so fifire so what yase
when so didi
we sa na any agro bi na so when
ni akokọ die ni bi e bo so sope
na waje aguma wa oh sorry ana so sorry
o mu na wani mu kusu
and temps yes sopi akuko bi eyi just say na mani be dun o be ni refi
na ba
me pa mo cho eya na refi nso say nipa de se na emra wu nyin no na umpomu egogo emra yade chichiriye no na ye pomudin mu egogo e kan ye be man no yere ni bo ho nya kra no a no na ben no no e ma wo be man no wa ho den e brase pressure drone diabetes drone some other illness ye fatu ye ho so no e ma ye ni pedua no atenka no feeling e kra etimi etse e ba form but there e so natural otimu se ontimi nye ne ho bebia ni naturally se nipa no abre ma me wa bre enye bre ne bre anka sebe ohu obi se otifu hu so no wada wa de hian kromo enye no omabu no
ne wa bre
wo bu ho no onyen efu no na bia ya ma ne papa bi no obo se
otokwa
na wa sati hian krom Sun pe but hunam no ayemre enti me pa mo show sometimes yani enti e dofo no ma se e me mo so ma abre wa abre enti me den wa abre a me de me hia bra o sorry aba sorry bra den no se wonni
na wa kasa o kan ye odo be no oba ni benya tenka be no benya de aba wo tia chance akwada bi o te wo nchen o chese wo mu oba no so ahun ti me ma mesam ya mo tia mo yire no mo yom gu mo animu aso nipa mu nyai because obi ho a on pesa we sa no ama ne feelings nyina yira
mami sometimes adeswa ne kese na so aye ma no if you say me ken wa mini wukunu ye papa say na oba wo so twu e wa sankem no count se banku no tete o te sa betie
that's right
no ofete say the ehu
oh yeah
na di e ba na 6:30 odi shame ana na ho aba 1 minute gramba obi say 1 minute man e dey na baka o say enti obre we enyi echi matu ibo ofufu am we bedie odi banku nya awie de otimi ye ni
oba chiwe guso
ye sa de no na you kumbe man no kodoto forever because emre bia obehu kwa se wo you na akabina odidi na aba na the continent na aju
kakra na abenya na bo
na di sembebre e na eba adeshima man sem say no munya no baba bia ye beto so sa to so bio but say de mo ntwa mo kakra na me komra me das kwanya we so na huga madase papa if we say your conference no we are there ye nyum nso aye maye no akunafo nyina dase papa ye bepe mre ye bebo ye beyi sese egusu edete emre ne beba na ye yi amadeshima ma omo ehu de siye enu ase yi some of the behind of the scenes edema omo hwe kakra Yeah. Auntie Abna wants me that say.
Doctor.
Oh yeah, I did do. Mami Johnny is no tea aduane. Na otimwe. Oh yeah, dear. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. And see, anyway, behind the scenes of the conference, the 8th conference, and as you be behind the scene, tomorrow when you come work across.
Okay.
Ufru du yapani epi.
Nyame na aye.
We work hard to raise our faith and lead us to our motto, the best for the highest promo will shine. With the help of God Almighty, we work hard to raise our faith and lead us to our motto, the best for the highest promo is shining.
Global is shining.
Oh, yes.
La 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 Omo awati asiase na nano jogi akasa bibinti wa sore akra adonti honorable sister Boateng ebejina nane na wa present ya wade ba ye no.
On behalf of Abuja chiefs and humanists, they've appreciated what you are doing for our motherland Ghana. So, as customary demands, we have some small parcel for you. Mama Cindy, may God richly bless you.
Yo, I receive this in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Mama Kwaba Biom 8th conference Amazmi Foundation AMA Crawford fi memia bae no we behind the scenes so afeni ye edit tape ni yankasa mama hu nyankopon adomo ye mpanimfe kuku damo a eba de anyonyam ebeta akire ahemfo ne ahema no be pie ho na nya agrokra na odahoma team iwom na je say left and right bibia ye be koso da TT brothers for say Ever Pure Purified Water for say, Minata and Daughters for say, Indomie Instant Noodles for say, Last Hour Catering Service for say, Mobile Engineering Service for say, Danny Deco Yadamasio. Hey, Unibank, a bank of the world. Konako save you all. Hey, Unibank, caring for you ampa. Yadamase, Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Yadamase. Lucky Herbal. Why you lucky? Yadamasio. Hey, Christian Hospital for Edamase. And Amia Krobo Old Girls Association Doctors I could demo Mobambe Boye. Oh, Medamase. Mr. Abo Fedoa Kata for Mobaye. Edamasio, Damase. Now she Reverend Kondia. No Jim Mikey. The MC na easy or they call this the next level.
Oh yeah, dear.
Pastor Parkins Mobaye. Just Obi Biara Ebaye. Joy Daddy. Joy Ointment. Hey, Calipo for. Wamu na ama
Domino
you can't dada almost yanka ya nuntum eni mjese eyi me nua baby nana owola pass nya meche ho na ni maami aka baby no mudi ni maami asem oka yeso maami ni amanyinara yesesa de bae ni e de che ekwanfo ise mo de basa ni ya parcel no kama me kire mo se ya de ade mo so me mie ho to obi emie mo kodu fie endi akumanya minshira wo no nshira mo nso on shira ne ma no o mie kwan ma wo mo je se dumas lace are lace, blouse are blouse. Oh, men ka enya obi aho. Atlanta Boteka e wachi mota. Eni Kumase. Mami kofa niema baba. Otu ibuyi. Osi akuma je. Fakomo ekrafo no. Enye dada o. Blouses are blouses. Oh, Nana Hima. Atlanta, Obapa. Tintim Gramo. Kingsby Hotel ho and abehu ne boutique no. Osan wo lingerie shop. Ewo ho. Kumase de okwa ye easy. Na ma o rush shop no mu na akoto ade a. Me kwa me nya bio. De menye different. Enti me shouse na wa de o to ne he. You see some to me Atlanta na we mako ho sad na me. Sani me nya o de bi me kunafo. Me kunafo am o hwe mu nim sa no kwa na meka. Kofo de achede ba ye de koma wo mo. Wo so nhira ko mo so. O wadwuma ko ye bibia ko prom.
Da no mu kita bag.
Enye si missing briefcase you know.
Briefcase no mo twekwa na me
say wa me say no mo ni aje.
Kwa no bia kita ni briefcase na o twekwa. Na see that yi koko na anya bia ya
me tu chamano. Hey, koko pa ni anya da.
Yeah.
Sana no.
Very nice.
Ni koko no. Engagement akese ene eche wase omokoto no mo dia serve wedding akese eyi akese adori akese organizations one more yes just say omo ye mane efe do say makom 11 monko ho na monka Menata and daughters porridge servings me just say mami ukọ ne mama nko na ne mama ahofe
wa he
nti na oka Menata and daughters no omo to panu so ma na mutu omo ko say omo obo fruit omo wo just niema bebre omo a na omo ye obe ko na beans igbo no mo yim
come on
oh auntie Alice last the cocoa also hear me auntie Alice hear me that's it
we really enjoyed it
people enjoyed it
na osaka ofo say ti afọ baby so say say cocoa
na hwe say na yanka ntima anka em say kan kofo ba no Tre. Because all the kwa.
No more.
Now I frow. Madam, Coco ni bi ho.
Yeah, that was my amana.
Police for you know. Me lunch ne kura o ma me number o so mbeba.
Am ka kire me.
14 August.
O ka kire me so mbeba. Na me so momra. O ka kire me so mbeba.
O ma ya die.
Na answer be so mo a kire bia o be lunch. Why? Ma kire bia o be lunch no. Any police for mbenyu yen. Na hima tetewa the first. Temahini.
Oh.
Temahini o. Tema Fante hini.
Yeah.
Fante 4 more tema no mo hini ne maami no hoyima no.
Ahima begu ho na ahemfu begu ho. Eja won bibia bae. Oh, Nyame Nyame Omma mo kwatenti amodi wom. Ama kire won don. Na ufru dua pa na epia.
Na unim de voter region for ne ye no. Ye video na kase ye design bambe ho. Se emre bia me ko a me ohini na wo ha me ko hu no ahima na wo ha me ko hu no na eho no mo doso omo nkrasi bebre na omo nyina ntimi amma enti ohini ni ahima baaye no e na mo parcel e na mo de ma I mean the traditional things happen me say ye tradition to nchini o
there be
say the make can so much at me can say me mami eni ye kunu ho ye me nye kunu no ye be ye mamododo e say me mani bi ye ma o mo yire mo ye nso ye be ye na sometimes ye make say mo de kan wa ye time no eni esi enyi film na me de say ohini bia ni ohime bia a oni ne ho ba yure mo no o hye say
onye
mo kaya tse me ba ye be ye film me da mwase se magu so eyi ni nyina film odo amaso ni odofo ba ne ba ye nyina wo se to de bi edi nyina to dwa na mu hu ne nyina yesuade efe film ekunafo mamo ye adwuma nya agro de oprepare office ni je ho e se bo so a ye ma ni bibi o me nante so wonya ni free bio wudi ma me na kasa wudi ni baka ho wo batu ma me ya ye kurani ba ne ba on nante ye mpo 8 months what shall see di mami
ne ho kire ni
onyin se so ngonyiwu na me se hene ha entamora papa na haidan cheme ho ama maame no ama ni sika mo de ye adwuma
That's right.
penny pa penny pa na me so enu nti na me se wear your dross no it cut across uyo ba krani na person ware a ma be ma ye ho ade
Sir.
uyo ba no divorce unware da wa wo bon 1 bon 2 enko wo bon 3 ansa bon 3 man na wo ba no mane ko ye ho ade
Bon 2 kra mo ani na ho.
money na ho love me love my dog
Yeah.
and so mo de e na me hu say the man be sabi o mo dwen onya be me bi na every day o be man 20 Ghana cedis a obekwa ka buy am and say
To wa anya no ade kra ope.
emra so see be be follow we there by the way we by the
Where
way
bonus credit?
That's where by the way emra so say wo so betimi afre na wa adwene na number sa wo de be fra wo de be kire wa adwene enie 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and I face 0302 211 704 Mesre se obama o television volume no aba form say course me hwe anim se beba eye die di wunya die dwodwo de okoda nda ene nkomo a ehya se e boye e bia nso obi a wo de beka ho a ye twen ho ye de enim ni nyina ye sua fi mo ho no na mo nso sua fi ye ho me da se ne waje me a wa tu e de aba wo fie wo internet ne so na wo su bom paye e de mame me sa na me so me bom ma se nsi wo yie na kwan emie emamo awon sin de nyame adom ye beje mo e be di December de e be di December de nyame ma ne nsa so
Peja.
ai meji award na wo so agi award na wo so agi award na ye tutu ye ho great me ma akwa ba de board ahoma so
Majo medas.
obaji sumo odon so na me ma da wase
Amodon so.
medas be me na afra fi hin
Majo meka sese brekum.
brekum fo wow medas open the etio
Brekum.
me pa cho etio
Ma worry.
good
Mami na wonim. Aden de is so intiama mentimi employ for me.
wo so ko ti so
And
ada won ti mi kasa wo so ko ti so
intimo bena meeting.
na wo ko ti so it's got nothing to do with performance and you ko to kese na ma perform you it's how you know to make love ni length and breadth na hu hia it's what you know to do the only bit me now I was so yeah and so we say that we got nya ni da bio ana wo ja o
onka sade.
the onka sade na wo pere wo ho ama ho akoma ya die ayedai believe in yourself, be proud of yourself. She nyankopon oya de no me ntra se da enka se me ne bre me nua ba abna because of what to na nantu susu enso onya me no fu yanka ope enti me so mo no fo chen no wa ho line no enti se wo kote ne so a e be na wo ye Henry sa me be mo chobe me sa to me nsayem me no I will never ever because edro we ko ha na me nya bi net me nya bi ncha me nya bi krada
Okay.
Me hu me yetia pa enso me monya me so boss adam ma me de me ne je de bia me bibi na ka obi so ntia akoma anya bia nya me sise wiasa osan ba o pesa ba da me se me ba akoma mama zembe me sisa hwe wo me hoda because in shira anya kopon de ma me no esun de abna esu de osofo enya esi enyi bro bia de obia ni nyiba obia ne time any say wait your time will come but no for de ebi no kwa mu no for surgery e na kwa ebe bo mu de gel si ko ne silicone ko shape emwa aju abna oti he mi nua bay ne to no natural enso bia ko ne to pane ama ne to nyina apro uko pedro bia no wa na ko te na acidity asese na nko sori bio e sori nso wa ha entime nyo we didn't complain here we didn't complain here na we complain ana wa konya oba bi we che na udi ni kan oyire ho ma worry how many years
for 4 years.
4 years. Ma oni so oni pedua. What?
Okay.
Me da say.
By the way, me that's need my pam with the.
Yes. Yes, that's it. Thank you so much. Hello. Me mama speak up volume kaka me nti hwe kra wa ha o. Hello baba.
Hello.
Na o te da na.
Nyamina dom na ohwe.
Nyamina do ye hu ye papa. Na efre fi hine. Kumase na efre fi a. Me wo ye che wo nyinara. Ya ye che ahemfu ni nyinara enkanka ote kokoso ai.
Yo
ye te baba.
Hello.
Me pa so ye te o.
Aha. Me pacho me name is
It's you basa na kase ya nmesa. Hi Jenny.
me pacho me name is
Baba.
Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Jenny pacho eti o kasa.
Hello.
Me pacho wan na waso yi. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho kasa eti o din baby afrefri.
Me pacho friend Jenny.
Jenny pacho ma o television volume nimra form. Na fe kasa den ni ente why?
Pacho, you friend Jamila. Hello.
Oh, salam alaikum Jamila.
Wa alaikum salam.
To ya yi eti o. Na afrefi hifa.
Okay.
O frefi hifa.
Pacho tinka.
Me to nka na afrefi hifa.
Me friend Achimota.
Achimota eti o.
Pacho, mama we were problem.
Manemra.
Yeah. Me pacho like many me guy. But always no or the debia or the password when you phone so you complain about the problem. You complain about the problem. When you call for the PR one thing. Anytime when you come back to me say like I shouldn't get close to his phone or that we say right. So I don't know. Some so confusing me. It's like I'm smooth to me, but not like maybe he's cheating, so that's why he doesn't want me to get close to his phone.
Me pacho yo, Miss Sro. Kachre, o boyfriend say Miss Sre no. Me pese o ji phone no. Na me bi say na say back up.
Let me give it to him.
Yeah, give it to him for me.
Hello.
Sweetheart, how are you?
I'm fine, come on.
I don't know the password. I two phone so.
Kuma on share. Mama no te be nye cheating o. Te be nye cheat.
Enye cheating na dey ntia.
On share this be a boa ye, business be a ye. Se ma de sebi o mu kasa dodo. So I just say we are oben me kai say
Oh yeah, me pacho ye am rubber.
Nya rubber kuma.
Etinye pa na we am person when you are in relationship. And I one person we so crystal, we are so open to your partner, your to be wife. Now what the password that's on the phone so and so not the phone not to make us all right?
No.
You
I don't do that.
You don't do that.
I don't do that.
All right.
Yeah.
I didn't catch you at the content on your call RDP.
Oh, kuma, I don't remember the last time me call. Only call for me call me DPA.
Why would on your call RDP?
Only there.
One no mom. I want to know too. One na wunya call no year to her. There will put girlfriend. Who no girlfriend to her? One
I'm 3 people, and they are all my business.
And then you are doing some deal you don't want her to know, which is dangerous.
No.
Therefore, if you don't want her to know now the kind of job you're doing, I'll tell her to stop with you that relationship because already you are living like husband and wife.
Yes, it's true.
You are sleeping with her, which is wrong, with capital letters underlined with red pen.
Wear your dress.
Fafonema lady no. Jamila.
Hello, mama.
Aquila Fia.
Hello.
Aquila Fia.
Hey, Aquila. Missy, mama, there's some time ago I took his phone. Could you imagine the things I saw on his phone? I was very shocked.
What did you see?
The kind of things
what did you see?
It's the same things already. Or catchers are girls. So I was shocked. I was like, wow. Hey, guys are very bad. Because so sometimes I your program, I may try to like maybe I'll call you just to tell you my problem. But sometimes neutralize. I've been watching this program almost like 1 year now.
Okay.
But like anytime I feel you're busy. It's not like maybe I don't satisfy him or something like that.
Good.
No.
Ophelia.
Okay, sex.
Hey, Jamila.
But sometimes it's me like me no. Maybe I cannot say the back class about them.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Ophelia. Sorry,
I
Jamila.
need your personal life so that maybe
I'll give it to you, but how old are you now?
you said
How old are you?
25.
How old is he?
He's also 26.
How long have you been in this relationship?
Almost 3 years now.
Almost 3 years now.
Yeah.
Jamila, if I ask you, sir, I'm praying that Allah will get into you right now that this relationship should break. Will you cry? I'm asking, will you cry?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Good. For 3 years of relationship, you've been sleeping with each other. I'm sure on the way you got pregnant and then you aborted.
Oh, that one there's so many times because I don't trust him. So.
Oh, baby.
Jamila.
No,
Yeah.
Inankuli. Kajiko.
Co-
Papa way on worry watching now. How many abortions have you done? How many people have you killed?
Nazi.
How many people? How many times have you done the abortions?
Like
you said
2 times.
2 times. I said so many times. Now you are
Yeah,
scared.
2 times.
Allah knows number of times you made the abortion, so He knows. So if you're lying to me, He knows.
Yeah, I know.
Jamila,
Yeah.
what do you do for yourself?
I'm a business girl.
Okay, I know you people, you like business. And what does
Yeah.
he do?
He's also a student.
A student.
Yeah.
So sometimes you help with monies.
We help each other. Yeah.
Okay. But you see, he's not respecting you. Apart from all the things you'll be doing for him, he's not seeing. He's not respecting you. So he's got other girls. He's got other ladies that you know he sleeps with them and he come back to sleep with you. I'm sure you've gotten some STDs or STIs before. Am I lying?
Oh. Mama, Martin almost like 3 times. Is it 4 times?
So do you still want to take him to be in this relationship for him to be your future husband? Is that the kind of future husband you're looking for?
The kind of future I'm looking for.
I mean, is that the kind of husband you are looking for in the future?
Oh, no.
Good. So why are you still with him? Jamila, you are 25 and he is 26.
Yeah.
Why are you still with him? Tell me.
It's not easy.
It's not easy for what? That your friends are going to laugh at you that at your age 25, you don't have a boyfriend, or no man calls you, or you don't go for any man to sleep with you. Would they laugh at you? What is making it difficult? Is he the one looking after you? Tell me, my dear. Sometimes I become so emotional. What is your issue that is difficult for you? Tell me.
No.
What is difficult for you? What is difficult for you? If you want to go
Mama,
to
please,
Makkah, I will give it to you. If you want somebody to call you, I will give. I said I will give it to you. If you want to somebody to call you,
I'm just afraid to lose him. That's all.
don't be afraid. Now I know he's looking at my face. I don't know who he is, but I tell you, do not be afraid. I've given you the power. You will get somebody who is going to worship you. He will never even say, come and let me kiss you. He will never even say, come and let me do anything with you. And he will go and marry you. He will not bring ladies to you. He will respect you.
No.
You see, if you allow yourself for this gentleman to marry you, you would cry. You will not have your happiness again.
I hear.
He will continue to do it. And he will tell you, you know that I do that already. And because of that, he's going to marry more. You know, if you can marry up to 3. That is not even the problem, because even that you do understand each other. It is your tradition. But the respect is needed.
Yeah.
Kajiko? Kajiko? So, give the phone to the gentleman. Me pacho the next caller no nya but check akrebi mame.
Okay.
Give the phone to him.
Okay.
Me pacho for phone mano.
Pacho me de mano.
Famano.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, I'm giving it to him.
Give it to him for me.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm so grateful that you are not annoyed and you're taking the phone again. I salute
Alright.
you, sir. But I want to know, when are you going to marry Jamila?
Ekuma, when I met this girl, okay, I had my own problems.
What is your problem?
My problem is that I was a womanizer.
Mm-hmm.
I was a womanizer because I have where I come from, where I grew up, what I passed through. I had no love for women.
Wow.
Well, yeah, because of the kind of people I lived with.
Okay.
Yeah, my stepmothers, 3 of them, the way they treated me, what they made me pass through. Right, so I was just like, these men can't be trusted. These men, there's no way that you appreciate what you do for them. But when I met this girl, there was a lot of mistakes. Whatever she does is full of mistakes. But I took my time to train her myself, to tell her what I want, what I don't. I always want to train her. I always want to educate her on something that she doesn't know. And to be honestly, she has backed up a lot. All right. There are some things that she is still doing that.
Like what? What are the things she's doing?
First of all, I have a son.
At your age 26, you have a son.
Yeah.
How old is the boy?
4 years.
4 years. And you are 26. So at age 22, Jesus. Anyway, go ahead.
I have a son. And I want her to love my son more than she even loves me because of what I passed through. But the relationship between my son...
Listen. Please, listen. I've listened to you. And I've seen where you're coming from and where you went to end. From the beginning, you said because of what you went through, you don't have love for women. So in the first place, you shouldn't have even gone for any girlfriend. You shouldn't have allowed any woman to come into your life. Because it means you are living with her on lies. You are not being truthful to her.
Ekuma, you are right. But
Yes.
you know, as you are growing up, there are some things that will change. You get to know something. There are some things that you leave behind you. All right. I put that thought on my mind when I was growing up, when I was a kid. As I was growing up, I told myself, all fingers are not equal.
Okay,
Right.
great.
Yes, and
I think your issue,
myself,
Hello?
yeah, come on.
You still have not answered me whether you want to marry her or not. Or when are you going to marry her? You have not told me that.
It will be one of my greatest achievements to do that. All right.
So tell me, or you haven't planned when you want to marry?
He said he's schooling.
Oh, like I told you, I'm still, let me say, educating on some things. I'm still trying to.
If you find it
a
difficult
lot
to
of
answer this issue, you know what? You both get my numbers. It means you haven't even made up your mind to get into marriage.
No.
So you don't even know when you are going to marry her. No. You don't even know.
And she's helping him.
Huh? When are you going to marry her?
He's using her to finish his education.
Let me finish.
When are you going to marry her?
Ekuma, I will marry her.
When?
But yeah.
When?
It depends on her. I've always said.
You see?
If I
You are just using her. So you want to really use her. Let her abort all the babies and then you find an excuse. You have a son, Mrs. Khan. You have a son. You see, and you've made her abort so many pregnancies.
Me? Is that what she told you?
Yes, she's aborted about twice or more.
Never. I've never.
You don't know about it?
No.
Then that's a new page you've opened. Please get my number. We'll continue. Yes. There are other people waiting on the line, and I've really kept them long. 0244 261200. 0244 261200. And that is my WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp me and let's talk, keep talking. Me da say. Hello Bishop, facha mi o wa jina so ache. Forgive me my dear.
Emane ha oba kokora.
Sawa ku Bishop nyame nshira.
Awurade na Bishop na nanta krabo ahene wa pizza 1.
Me da say etio.
Awurade. Yankopon no boys no njira mo ade.
O nshira ko so nshira mo so.
Awurade kuma ye tensem
Aya osere.
Odi abna osere. Do. Chese ye tensem tensem. Na wo hwe se di abranti ni siki kanen nsemo a me efutu ba ko penam de be ma no.
Me da say.
Ma odi si na nim plane nye plane fa. Se na mpe wasem no.
Me da say.
Because nima bi se wo kache abranti ne se wo di akura ne kwa. Adi obe wade no. Ma nipa ni ne wo sa no. Nipa bia no ma ne se wadwe mu se de wo ye na eda wani mu otwa.
Obeka akofo.
Obusaw se wo be ware no. Wona jese udi bo adum ni adan na wa sa di we wu ni aba no bi ye na ebe ye ode
Bisa.
The way se ko ba so ni aba no bi ye na kiri wo jana sim no wo ti afam na so ko ba bi na fe e di du ni aba na wo betuma ko jina kiri akwa ma wo ni aba na na ni sa ni mo we na ma sa ise ho jani sim se kim e be friends ya budua sa so ngobo Yemila mensuma zo kubudua. Ai mami ene na mafo.
It's very serious issue.
Yeah, ni ton de no.
Mbeti gaje ni me bia emfata.
Yeah.
Ti besre futu na mode manipa no. Emfan tuyu kutu jumni emfan pia na mo.
Yo.
Ma de meka ne se. Me so fupanyi ma temfo jo tie program ne.
Me dana se. Okay.
Mrs. Monica Fojo was so much yaw.
Yo, me ju onso.
Mama fancy na wa pizza futu ka kam de be ma.
Nyame nshira wa pizza. Nyame nshira. Wow, ye man what problem o. The omo plan is so many eje. No plan.
On in future.
Me ma kwa ba the border home so. Hello. Hello, girlfriend.
Yeah, Odonso.
Me da say. Girlfriend, do frefi.
If it's
Asin fosu. Me da say papa yeti.
Many girl be na tia me pese me ware no.
Oni nete anas we hu no.
Me hu na me na na be 3 years na na me pese me ware na. Ati na igusoti. Me na nete. And niema bisun
mote bro no so anasa mote dan baakum.
Okay, yeah, nyase ti dan baakum, but problem bi si ma obetra. Esi ade ti dan baakum.
On sam na ebebre o.
Problem bi ne si na obetra me nchen. Ne ma da yare. Ba jose.
Me say won ware no hu nya se on betina but wo kan asem koso yeti o.
Me say problem bi ne si e.
Okay. I didn't see.
Ne ma me yare. Enti omunya financial problem kakra. Ene ma ne ma me ese ne sade a umetra me ho. No betra me nchen. But e dru ba bi no. Ma me no to no a obae no. Emwa me bua no yes again and Kwanini Mamma Busiani Nano. Mamma no ye na say situation beyond one community no. Oh my entra. It's me as a find it problem na. Mamma ne cano. Number in my son's issue.
Yeah.
The command I mean was a mamma say. Oh ya chimney. Emma chimney no. Or shenu zizima or yare and wamwano intino. Mesumi a chimney in intino. Emma Oman Lebanon Gofa Nipani.
And I chim for me, my dear, no more mapa o.
But you say,
Minim sa chim for me, my dear, one more share me ye papa.
Sanity. Emma Marshallema. ma hwe ne ma ono ane ma me no krebi aka no
enye na me hia da be na abewa no
aware de jesi akra me gina me pese ye hwe ne kayeye
mo ye den
oh jesi an enye say is me church edia enkran no ma to nkran because me say jesi am intimi nyina nkran no to nkran because jesi am amene ayare no ma san ye den grama ama san ne ko ja ware ne de girl me pese me ware no eti na tina na mguso na leti
na me nia be mati o sometimes ye ntie afutuo peni bi ni ye kasa ye ntie ye fusi ye ni bibia why you lucky baba na kasa ono ompa achimini waga kire ana woda so for so a wo spending ska wo mo na wo tua bills
obi ma me be wu amo ara
den ti ame so me penis ani say baby amedu no se me so ma de me so mempe
wedding fi ahin
ankasa no Ghana ankasa no so ayi na gin say
wedding fi ahin
no 29 years
what say
29 years
and oba na din fi ahin
26 years
what din fi ahin
26 years
26 and ani ma me so ompa achimini me fa hu ngoshem why enti na me kasa mo mpranche no mo ntwi munye die mfiri mu na wo ko ka che oba we se ebe ne yama e se watu obodi na ma na yi abortion sign we si wo aje wo promises se wa na me no obeko wa na me wa wo mami so mpa achimuni mami ni so mpa kroboni ba mami ni so mpa igbeni ba ma mami so mpa fantini ba ompa grushuni ompa sei wo mami aka asama kyerew enti fa kwan a ono so ni beje na onya nhira wo so na mo de na so ompa eje so ompa ebusa so ompa na mo de mo amope because mo de mo so your world is different mitio
mena me passe my minute I can't say finish within recently I said 3 months
yes why
yes be am ne Ghana try no and my minute can't say finish it na me imagine say me say be a problem bi na ere esi it is solve problem na nka be betimi acha it also had a compo empenifu anim am omne na ka any say afege up to now because recently akwa no Ghana nyimi ake ko nwa busuafo anim but ma me no wa makwa me ya ma me nwa anim
enti ade na enti wan yin sana go
ma me ne ye no ena madwuma no so na ma me ne san yare na adwuma no to akola no so na
enti yin san no mo wo ye
ena me ka mezuo o di adwuma no to akola no so ma ena mo sa adwuma no so ma yin sana sai
oh kwekwe ma me ne so mpel we ya chimuni wo besu asu na mo wani na ho na kachra baba wane se mint mi nkoye grushi ni mint mi nkoye kroboni mi ya chimuni enti so ma me se wo mpede a tinto mu ntwam
na me
asemba one day ho ba chirew
mi hu you
de make out yase ye Africa fo ni bi wo ho aye mu nanim enka so enye hwe be ye hwe wo de enye hwe be hwe na ho akwa chirew enti ni mpanifo no enka se maka mami se wo mpene sike kura wo se wo asibe hu to be ni up and down ni amakwa nyina kwa na ukoto preko baby na wonye na kabalisa obewu ama wo ukoto aponchi bia ba omiensa ma wo ukoto akokọ ba ne be ma kabalisa wa afefe asan afefe bio asan wo ma bebre so sorry ahuga so to bodu muso ngakakra wow na so wa to bo edi na afan
ba choze
won fa ho kan se modi mo
oh I know the ho kan ho
modi mo aka mo ho nti eno so ujai na ene nkananti asenya adwuma woni ne nkananti asenya adwuma frame e was 0244 261200 assign me WhatsApp number 0244 261200 so sorry Ophelia wajina so ache forgive me Ophelia hello
hello bye
Ophelia to say
If I train, I'm the one also.
Nyame adom ye ho ye da se. Ma woni su kakra ma ye na ofre fi fa.
But I'm a favorite Koforidia.
Koforidia flowers. Yeah, Mr. Brew. Mr. Brew. Total 1 to total 5. Nyame ye shira o. Me chia ne papa ye tie o.
If I show me name is Miss No Mawari mum. But tama me no wo no no. I say international. Me only girl be best na say. Na tena na me no what to say.
Only one house there. Oh my God. Okay, na san. Oh. It have been a great info in my palm. Hello, Nanaya.
Good evening.
Nanaya. Hello, Nana.
Hello, Akuma.
Medas. Na Viva.
Me free
Kasua. Nana yeti kasa.
Yo, Akuma. Let's say last week meet you when I meet you. Many ajipa maudon so.
Medase.
Akuma, I didn't bagani. Gana maiwa.
Ene mrantie.
Beman pewa who is a beman pew. But to Jacota bemaso. I force so. By force so. Ade. Na kwatiene na wunye biniana. Kwatiene wunye biniana. Na ope kwatiedia abutre ene tuwase ene ribobra. Utu akwata bemaso. Tintina tina de odono ana ware na by force.
Enye by force so.
By force so. Enti me media futu amde ma maya ne mranti abanese. Aware eye odo ene diku. The who oba neso yoba titia na opa. Ye wadwene so ye Kristo ni na pa ye wadwene so ye djuma na pa ye wadwene
sure
so bi a won no monsa na pa ye wadwene na mo bonye na da obi mfa no nkɔhye wo dem ene te krama ba wo de enam edada no
enfie bebre wadia 3.5 years adan
na wo yi tuguna wo ye sa emra wo di obi ba na wo yo adwe so ba fo no obi so di wo de sa na nyankopɔ ahyehyɛ no so Bema na abane ama omra wanyu obi de na also wo say no wo use no na nyankopon wo de na also da atwo bedo no wo bi so use me equally it be there ya catch them na tell me na say me the same account
okay
last week na me kan say ma me no ton na mo na no ye nyanya
oh yes amekai
de me so
yo
mama you and branch especially again now say what tear branch no so onye serious
crack
then I just say onye ubisa no question ko me sina dwene pese opewa na ompew
yo medase papa ene watu ye focus ye o be fa afa wo be so masom onyina betu ho anamo nyankopon enhira wo bebre e wa kwanyina so anyam bia me next caller wo ho ana hello. So sorry when to me enyina so okay meko so alphabet 2 3 calls be but mama wo hye ensem abeya anti abna
doctor
dey na abeya no
me kan fa yenu abema na say ne bebe sha no ena di kan ba ye ye be se no em se otu ne fu bebre nye koteketwa ena edidi yoba
ena kotekesi na edidi yoba
ena nya kotekesi enso ena edidi yoba eni nyina gina mu mie no se de mo be hye agro na ase ama kosi so what I say obetimi okuru betimi agro yie pa na le kote no wan fa hye wase kura na ohun ti be den esa no sa na oba no so usu timi gro be ma no mene kote no ri si anu a na jese ono so wa den ne wan ne de so nti se da utu no fo no ma na hwe no oba no complain ya o men no nye ne da so
that's all
na manity paye na command BP ne nyama bebre abatu na brabo em say my sister idie ya ya papa kan wase mesa ka no so metimi wo say ye nua be ma no or you help me to finish my course sabi ye nua no be ma bebre no mrantie na ebi no mo no epesa etekisa opportunity no omo yisu ma no mimi ni mo bi sana ma ne ye wo ma no enye nyame a but na ware negu woman no kokwan so ti se ye nua bayi oton ade woman no so kokwan so kofa niema na oba ska gu okusko wo yiska eden e de ama no enam so ma oye ne ho ade o One ne tena ye no ade but na yes still na woman ye den sister no boa guy no.
Oh, I see.
Show oboa no e man oye no ade but ene guy ne ja no because of onu mo oba no e boa no man the level ye den e kwa enim no afi woman da ne krasi ni ma no cadence who says can one fan call anchor talent call up say ya cover teacher special non try wade usu education be den e be kwa enim because I was say yet me 2 years minimum for because yes I remember ni be fa we advantage as I said if your band face say oh was mistake to Bema way na menene wo na mpranche enkakra no timi ware me na se edwuma bi na me ya me fa mmoa no na ye mmoa ye wona nkakra awado anye den emrem ebi opeso obi oye o man the course bi den ekonenim okay oba de kodidwa so as I say inti wudidwa no o ma me kakra me so me come menima but mostly doctor me man mostly ewia o mo jama si yo so you so ye nua ba no keke because umotei osad your baba dem wo just idea eya abotesam kra no oye oba no hwe ye nua ba no wa kukuduro and as we see the person on the beman bed ebetna because I issue enye easy
but maybe acho oba what so to kotna bema so enya kukuduro sabe wo himu nipadua no because woman on worry o onya o hwe kwabusu ni mo hwe enti bitu na ato yetimi wo so bi wo hye den be hop bombon we kona bema no adwane no kra ehu na chira kwa ne ochena enti me pa mo cho awade ne se mo pen ntemu a at 8:22 now won't feel say me ye adwuma me save kakra I'm ready to go to marriage my baby man me me o hwade but who Jenny sama who new na wonya abortion afei owia obefa ni fault around you no de be gina no so no ni wagyan emoa Satan wa kuma e ba betie Satan na wuti bi ba ya Satan na obra blood pressure e ba control please Sama na wona mana wo kasa wo ano na nkovo tinti won sa hwe nso na girl edi na esi ona mana o kasa sa so na Satan sa beima no ana wo ba no ono kwa wo nwi hu asima ye ken emme bitimi didi mema ena mema nso didi ma but you do di one no apply the body timpo so oye no onwe wo ho for instance abrant here ne stepmothers hwe kwa mo den fair was she hates women.
So she's playing women.
On my girl, no freedom.
No.
On your love. On your she. There's no understanding. Instructions here and there. Abua ko yekun ewe. Bodi how much she ne corner ne debate be ye de onye.
The mindset is different.
Enti pa mo show. Mo mi emre e ho ase. Na yensua ni ye. Odama so. We do it with passion. We tell you the gospel truth. Niema ebeboa wo. Ene ye den. But we catch one kasa say yes, I can. You can always do it. Reverend.
Me obema no anasese ompina ware ne so no. Sani a wo kan ye no. Mesre no. Emfa ho se ni sika kodim. On the offense so de agba fode. Onya oba na chiridi. Obesan nya foforo. Because I wo kwa wade na wase so ompewo a abusua se empewo a
mama eya na mempese ombeka se be ma na wesi ni sika watching prayer we to akota ni so yi ono pradem ho one sempa one na aduane osi niema ni na yadwuma and not be scared yaka all you need to do is to be honest and fulfill your promise what be for scared yaka da I say work hala na penim bi ahwe akodu bebensu bi na I was say skabi ade tia meka ultimate we yes I dey na wote wona so
enti no say abusia so mo mpeno a wonya na chiridi em say odoba ni so much so say o feel say okwa onya obi foforo
maybe
so ehun enti say wonim say odoba ni dia ene a wonya abusia ntena se na ntiase anya adwuma netimi ware oba na sab oka na still almost so mpeni a jano manenko
yo
ena fenso so yenua ba no a obema no wo hwe ni school no obema no oyusu no edi na wie ni school owi amfa na nye hwe obema ne nso a ono onyafu a no akwabonten akotie odi password ato ne phone so no ono na yire no trust any ho
girlfriend you know girlfriend
one worry poni o ani o worry on so ehun no so hu so be man trust no na say oye bibi osuma se a on pese oba ni be hu na so se enipa mienu te wa e was transparency e adwuma e was bibia eda di pefe na wo de niam siesie mi ade wo ware me so e
ade wo mi enka ne yi o oba ne na pese ohun what's now on the mema e ma miensa ba weni te wo wo hwe wo de ekoso
wo da so te wo
ene se wo na ape but am bobi na se bo pese wo
onya ho ade
ya de bi na wo fa to ho so ba jo pack wo bag do ma de panchi na ko wo mi ania
foforo
ei de kan ya mo mfa o na ya na edin
e man so atutu kwotena me manche no wodi wo na ho afono no afenu asade nani ahwabonten e bada e na obema obehwe no ono a obaako obi mienu meso obi nine obi kura enum mani tua bi pa enso no ono te esa ho afono no ompe ubie mafe o tete wa na fi asofo na hu na ma enti misro ni manimu hayi me obema nyo ho ade a mempake nkwakwata ne so esa ho be fono no Misra ube be opewu a omra mayo ho ade na kwatena ne so
sade unu aduane ma no enti ne awarefo ye no mu ye bi smart ase u konsio u sini niama o to ne niama smart ase na o regard enti enye na adwen se on ti stand kwa yo ho ade because ade a was awarefo ye mu aye ni nyina titire yo bia bakra na abem
emema ne nso a wo mu ema betena o so mo full so o mu de o mo anya dufudie enti no mo nkoyo ho ade minimu oba bia oba ne tibema ne so na oba ni wuye no abusua mo obema no aye wo ba na ye
oh meaning so what is asem way
oh woye na kototore enti na wo ska betimi dia yo ba na wa anye woye ne hu ade ansa ne ye ma na kosi
enu de esi bebre
enti me pat show me sada me sayem na nkuli Epa mo chow. Sada mo di atuma adwen mu. Sese me ntutu ankotena be ma ne nchen. Se mama na anyi nseme na ma wo amfa ma no wo de lokan ne kwa emfa. Because be ma so opewo a opewo. Won pe wo be kwan bia wo be fi ne life mama no. No ni misem so be kan be yo abesu. Na atena wo mu ye ho hwe enye yi. Wo ma me se won pe wo bi. One pet tribe way, one pet religion way. Now what you say wo ne wo. Now force wo ho e command na fofo kotena se. E ko rent e binumu na mba ye so ebusuafo na awade a. Consequence ben ne ba so. Ensem ben ne sisi e wo sa awade.
Esisi pa because aware ebusua so o mo mpene so no attacks ta ba mu pa. Abusua bia mensa wo. Attacks taba so na bibia mo bebia enye yie na nyame emfasa manasa sembi ba afe hwana ebe gina wachi enti sa wo kwa wade na sa busua so mo mpra me de ka me nkode a enka pe oba bi tena na fo ani hwe ba bi foforo sa be ya benye wasundwe nu aware ebe koso
yo odo ahomasuni ebi aboto ebi ejese wo mu hu de omo yema me gidi pa se e wo makomam se obia etu anamompa bi obi ajoti bi down ye nyame boa mi na de we me se mi jan e wo se mi jan ena fiade what nsempa no wa for telephone wa fra wo so wa kire wa adwene se wo so wo fie na wo ye wo checks e na wo tenten niama e don ti me be be me set position mu nam de aseda ama wo ye papa na emom position we a man lie on the woman. Man lying or dane so. Be mani dane yiri so. No be dane yiri so. You say the atupan ebe kwafa. Obe dane nim. Obe dane so. Face to face. Na for the nechin so ato so. Na we dey tiko to face. You say ebe kwa kosi say. Na idie ne kura ebe kwa so say. Wonya ne baby a. Aha ne the original. Monsieur. eme bi mpese omusua eme bi nso mpese omusua me ka ekru no mu nsua oya so ofese we ka so wasai ma okunu hu se wo hwe wo da ma so na wasai na wo se nso se ma ono nko a wo se ma ono nko a me da se me go round 2 na o de wo ho anytime you six position be also woman we need that ho now we step by step when so ni ye enye den well show say ye de ahoma bi asobe ma ne kote ho e video who said de emu no e camera ene ye de ahye ho ena ewrem wurudu say ya na oba ne bu ni panya hu said de e kofa etwitwi wall no ho etwitwi wall no ho o ye oba ne enware ho na wotwen na obi ekọ se see he ubenya the right man no na wo hu niam na ese pompo na ehwihwi na e ma wonya atenkan yie be ma no so nya atenkan ye na nyina yi and ye wo kan na ye den nahi
asa ya dwane
se ne wankasa we hu se de ma ye mu nankasa etie enti se ne ka chemate ne mabawa so mo shomo dross ayeboni
enu ano ne kwanso ano no ebe boa opa ebedu tamu a wo be ware no afi wo be ti atenka no wo benya odo no wo be udi a wo be feel say yes na se ne ekan wo be twi sakre na etwi afi ebedu tamu a be ware a wo se obe ma no obe enjoy na hi afi onya ba bi a wo de kote ani betwi na hi enti yenya botra ni enche dross o ware a obedi ama na fro da bia wo mo enware e so mo rase sana na mse o hu emesre ebe kakra ebe funu wo be dwane dwane kra
ba ma no kra ba de mabre na ni bu anura na ese yehi na bia ontimi ntwima ne yeye e bia na wo so watwi ama emu nyina den ehi so atiase enti na no kra ye nua no mo ye sisters a o mo ware utu akwatena no so na wa yusu wa long glass na wa ja wasi wo na bia wasa eden aboa no wa yusu wa wie no wasa de energy o time resource usika asa den e dia aboa no so what you say na no so aye bibi wo ti e be strom o mo nso mo dross mema no so the same thing
na
o warrior she wait na so scanner o bon ho ka no
esonte never saving yo
and obi ohonso ana ofil se onyidru pempenso bi na se onu oba na obe ma enna ya so obe ye bulu obe kwasea obe hwe bia na mfofo no mu di titi no mu de sre no enti na epiapia no ma okọ ekoto mu mesrew omo boa wotna honyi se den na wanye sex a wonye kwasea
debi da
enti ma o wadanfu bi enti su ema oma emese wodache ne wanimo nyamo a ubenya dache wa aware mu wo anye sex ya wonye kwasea enti omo bua memfi omo ate emfi omo ya akacha say hey Satan nekagbe so ya ne jejefo
Satan na nekagbe eno na empowerment na ye de ma wo e odo ahomaso ena me de papa so nye sa otwen honhom no se ne de di kan yo se wo ne ye na enyi na emebia wo hwe wo ma obi nso ahwe nne nti aseda no wo dia wo bi nya abotre o na de bia wo nya abotre na wo ti ase na honhom yi a emre so na wo ya na wo beka se edro obo se ne sisi sa na bibia kose yo fefefe ama nti ase ene ebuo abawade animu empranfo no mo nimu hu na musem no enye emuaw enne na so one ne shed ross na so ompene a jano na wuwu sabi nyo no nkwa ne oba nyo no nkwa ne mema se wo maye kwan ne ba ofie internet ne so ufa mo telephone na fra ye eche wa adwene ebo ya baso no ye da ase papa na mo me da me cameraman na se Alhaji salam alaikum me da na se papa me sound man me da na se me set designer me lights man MCU me da na se ahuga asana ye what the art me dia ba the petition abna these days you have to bring a story from the salon. Producer director Prince and let's give it to them. Yo.